Welcome to RP Lifestyle YouTube channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: a guide to healthy eating, what to eat and how to eat it. In this video, we will cover what you should eat and provide some helpful tips on how to eat mindfully. So let's dive right in. Importance of healthy eating. Before we get into the specifics, let's understand why healthy eating is crucial for our well-being. A balanced diet not only provides essential nutrients but also promotes a healthy weight, improves mental clarity, boosts energy levels, and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. It's the foundation for a healthier lifestyle. Day by day, people are getting interested in healthy living. And healthy life is not possible without food. So we need to know what kind of food should be in the food list and how to eat them. The human body follows the rhythm of a clock. That means every hormone, every cell, every chemical function of every organ and enzyme is secreted according to this rhythm. It is not right to take so many meals at once. Likewise, eating food too frequently is also inappropriate. Rather, eating at intervals is beneficial for the body. In scientific terms, this method is called rested eating or time-rested eating. The main difference between healthy food and unhealthy food is enzyme-rich food and fresh food and oxidized, stale, non-nutritious food. The important thing is to follow a balanced diet consisting of natural, safe and fresh foods. After giving the food in the mouth, chew it very well. Because digestion of food starts from your mouth. What to eat? Now that we understand the importance of healthy eating, let's talk about what you should eat. Here are some key food groups to focus on. Number 1. Alkaline water. Drinking sufficient amounts, 2 to 4 liters, of alkaline water. It is very important to avoid dehydration. Because dehydration is the source of various complex diseases. Number 2. Plant food 80% and animal food 20%. Keep 80% plant food and 20% animal food in your diet. Number 3. Whole grains. Whole grains like black rice, brown rice, quinoa, oats, buckwheat, sweet potatoes, natural or organic foods are excellent sources of fiber and provide sustained energy. Number 4. Lean proteins. Include lean protein sources like eggs and meat from naturally raised chickens, grass-fed beef or lamb or goat meat in your meals. They are essential for muscle growth and repair. Number 5. Seafood. Seafood, such as salmon, tuna, and shrimp, is a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health and reducing the risk of heart disease. Aim to include seafood in your diet at least twice a week. Number 6. Healthy fats. Don't fear fats. Option for healthy fats found in medicinal coconut oil, organic cold-pressed olive oil, cold-pressed mustard oil, but the mustard must be cultivated without pesticides and chemicals, avocados, raw nuts and seeds, ghee and butter made from naturally reared cow's milk, and fatty fish from the sea, etc. These fats are beneficial for heart health and help absorb fat-soluble vitamins. Number 7. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Aim to include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables in your diet to ensure a wide range of nutrients. Number 8. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a great source of protein, calcium, and probiotics. It promotes a healthy gut, strengthens bones, and helps maintain muscle mass. Enjoy it as a snack or use it as a creamy base for smoothies and dressings. Number 9. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, including almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, are a great source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They also provide important vitamins and minerals. Enjoy them as a snack or add them to your meals for an extra nutritional boost. Number 10. Legumes. Legumes, such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are excellent plant-based sources of protein, fiber, and various nutrients. They're also budget-friendly and versatile, making them a valuable addition to any diet. Number 11. Herbs and spices. Herbs and spices like basil, turmeric, cinnamon, and garlic not only enhance the flavor of our meals but also offer potential health benefits. They can boost our immune system, reduce inflammation, and provide antioxidants. How to eat mindfully. Eating mindfully is just as important as choosing the right foods. Let's explore some strategies for mindful eating. Number 1. Slow down and chew. Take your time to eat, chew your food thoroughly, and savor each bite. This allows your body to properly digest the food and helps you recognize feelings of fullness. Number 2. Portion control. Be mindful of portion sizes. Use smaller plates and bowls to control your portions and prevent overeating. Listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Number 3. Limit distractions. Avoid distractions while eating, such as watching TV or scrolling through your phone. Focus on the taste, texture, and aroma of your food, which can enhance the overall eating experience. Number 4. Practice gratitude. Take a moment before your meal to express gratitude for the nourishment you are about to receive. It helps create a positive mindset and connection with your food. Meal preparation tips. To make healthy eating easier, here are some meal preparation tips. Number 1. Plan ahead. Plan your meals in advance to ensure you have nutritious options readily available. Create a shopping list and prepare ingredients in advance to save time during the week. Number 2. Cook in bulk. Prepare larger batches of healthy meals and store them in portion-sized containers. This way, you'll have homemade meals on hand, even on busy days. Number 3. Experiment with recipes. Explore new recipes and cooking techniques to keep your meals exciting and enjoyable. This will help you stay motivated on your healthy eating journey. There you have it, a guide to healthy eating, what to eat and how to eat it. Remember, it's not just about what you eat but also how you eat. By incorporating nutritious foods, practicing mindful eating, and preparing meals in advance, you'll be well on your way to a healthier and happier lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Also, feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, take care and happy eating. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.